Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. Just tried something different, a little bit of a moody unboxing. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Anyway, let's get to the Crane 2S. So this is the brand new Crane 2S from Zhiyun. I'm pretty sure you've seen a lot of videos already on YouTube, so I didn't really go in depth with the unboxing and stuff. I purposely bought this because I need a gimbal powerful enough to fly this setup. I've got a pre-wedding shoot that's end of this month, and I require a gimbal that's able to carry this thing. This is the Blackmagic Pocket 4K, a heavy camera, and what you see is only half of it. I've still got the battery and the SSD, and probably this monitor I'm going to be mounting it somewhere below, so it will give some clearance whenever I need to tilt or go into vortex mode. I'll be testing out this gimbal at the end of this month. I've got a rehearsal coming up this weekend, so let me give it a try. I'll gather my thoughts and probably do a honest review of this gimbal. First impressions, of course, this gimbal is much more solidly built than my Weebill Lab. That's the one that I had before this. I had to sell it off because, obviously it can't carry this. I'm filming this on my A6300, and that gimbal was perfect for this camera. I'll also make a dedicated video for the Blackmagic with this, the way it's compatible and how the camera communicates with the gimbal through the USB-C, whether it charges and whether you can control the camera and sort. Because not many people out there have been talking about this. They specifically mentioned that this gimbal is able to fly the camera, but then nothing else about whether it's able to control and stuff through the scroll wheel. So I'll let you know in all that in the following videos. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. COVID is spreading in Malaysia. I wish you all well. Stay safe. Bye-bye.